A is for a sparrow, alive and full of cheer. B is for bluebird, singing bright and clear. C is for canary,
chirping high and low.
D is for duckling,
Waddling in a row.
E is for eagle, soaring in the sky.
F is for flamingo, standing tall and shy.
G is for goose,
Honking all around.
H is for hummingbird, buzzing with soft sound.
I is for ibis, walking by the lake.
J is for jaybird, jumping wide awake.
K is for kingfisher.
Diving with a splash.
L is for lark, singing songs that flash.
M is for macaw, colors bold and bright.
N is for nightingale, singing through the night.
O is for owl,
Hooting who so slow,
P is for parrot.
repeating what you know.
Q is for quail,
Quick steps on the floor.
R is for robin, red chest you'll adore.
S is for sparrow.
Tiny, sweet and kind,
T is for toucan.
with a beak you'll always find.
U is for umbrella bird, feathers fun and long.
V is for vulture, gliding big and strong.
W is for woodpecker.
Tap, tap on the tree. X is for xenops, a tiny bird so free. Y is for yellow warbler, shiny like the sun. Z is for zebra finch, stripes and songs for fun.